Listen and read. A. Construct. Crop. Devise. Dig. Draw. Skill. Trade. Weapon. B. Construct. To construct a building. To construct a bridge. To construct a sentence. I'm not sure they can construct a road here. Crop, often plural. 1. A widely grown crop. Fields of crops. Wheat is a widely grown crop in Britain and North America. 2. A crop of apples. This year's crop. They get 2 crops of rice a year. Device. A modern device. An expensive device. A clock is a device that shows the time. A computer is an important device of nowadays. Dig, dug, dug. To dig a garden. To dig for gold. To dig a hole. To dig a tunnel. The dog has been digging in that corner for an hour. Draw, drew, drawn. To draw a train. To draw a net. To draw curtains. The horse drew a cart up the hill. Skill. Basic computer skills. Reading skills. To have great, no skill in something. Nowadays, teachers use more imagination and skill in explaining things to children. Trade. Foreign trade. World trade. Domestic trade. To develop one's trade. To work in the tourist trade. It has been a bad year for the trade between our countries. Steps were taken to develop the trade in fruit and vegetables with Spain. Weapon. A powerful weapon. Atomic, nuclear weapons. Stones as weapons. A knife can be a weapon.